Welcome to another HydroVu tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to replace a cube or tube telemetry device with a VuLink in HydroVu. Choose the right HydroVu plan for your needs. Change HydroVu plans. Understand billing. And use a prepayment code. If you've been using HydroVu with cube or tube telemetry devices, you can switch to VuLink in a few easy steps. First, deactivate the old telemetry device. To do so, disconnect the cube or tube's battery and remove it from service. Or you can deactivate remotely. Go to the telemetry page in HydroVu. Click the Edit button for the device you want to remove. Set the logging interval and uploading interval to 0. As soon as possible, visit the monitoring site to disconnect the battery and permanently remove the device from service. Billing for this device continues for 30 days from the date you deactivate it. If you add a VuLink during this period, you'll receive duplicate bills, one for the final cube or tube data and one for VuLink. Now follow the steps in the VuLink Quick Start Guide to add a VuLink to your HydroVu account. Charges in HydroVu occur on a per-device basis. For each cellular telemetry device on your account, you incur a monthly charge of $10, $20, or $35 according to your chosen plan. HydroVu plans are based on activity levels and features. If you want to monitor a small number of parameters and upload data once a day, the basic plan allows sufficient activity for your needs. To track a dozen parameters and upload them twice an hour, you'll need the Enterprise plan. There are so many possible combinations of parameters, upload rates, alarms, and features. That's why you should choose the Activity Estimator to find the plan that works for you. Go to the HydroVu Plans and Pricing page. Click Estimate your activity level. Choose the features you want and the amount of activity you expect per device. Some features are only available on specific plans. For example, if you want calculated parameters, you'll need to select the Enterprise plan. If you're a longtime HydroVu user and have never selected a plan, you're probably on Enterprise. That's the default for accounts that existed when HydroVu plans rolled out in early 2020. To change HydroVu plans, log into your account and click your company name at the top of the screen. Click Go in the HydroVu Plan Management box. Review the plans and select Downgrade or Upgrade to this plan to make a change. Charges for the remainder of the billing period occur at the rate of your new plan. HydroVu gives you the option to enable overages. If you do so, you'll incur additional charges whenever a telemetry device exceeds the activity limits of your chosen plan. This can happen if you increase the uploading rate or the number of parameters monitored. An overage charge is equivalent to an additional telemetry device for the month. In other words, if you're paying $10 per VuLink and an overage occurs, the overage charge is $10. Disabling overages stops uploading activity for any device on your account that has already reached its limit. Be sure to choose a plan that provides sufficient activity if you want to disable overages. Also, downgrading plans can result in overages if you've already used more activity than the new plan allows. A prepayment code is HydroVu credit you can apply to your bill. Your In-Situ sales representative can help you purchase prepayment codes. If you have a prepayment code, log into HydroVu to apply it. Click your company name at the top of the page. Select Go inside the Prepayment Codes box. Type in the code or scan the QR code and then click Claim. For more information about VuLink and HydroVu, see the FAQs page on In-Situ's website. Thanks for watching!